Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy FXGK here with another video. And on this video, guys, we're just gonna apply the ICT strategy on the Volatility 75 market. So, if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, I would love you guys to hit that subscribe button right now. And if you guys want to learn basic strategies, you guys can check out all of my previous videos where I discuss some free trading strategies. So in today's video, guys, we're just gonna do and apply the simple strategy that you guys can implement on a daily basis. So let me just clean the chart so you guys can understand first and foremost. So what we're gonna need on this strategy, guys, is that uh number one, right? First thing we're gonna need is we have to uh okay, we have to first look out for the trend, right? What is a trend? Is the market in a trend or is the market in a range? That is the first thing that we have to do first, right? Once we have that, we can see the prices in a trend or prices in a range, right? The second thing is that we must start off from our higher time frame perspectives, right? So you can say daily and 4 hour. That is going to be our first uh time frame that we must look out for the intraday trend and also the external uh trend, right? So once we have our daily and our 4 hour structure points, right, then we can build from there to scale down to a smaller time frame. So now once we are on a 4 hour time frame, we're gonna look for our order blocks, right? We must look out for our order blocks, and after that we're gonna scale down to our 15M, right, to wait for our break of structure, right? That is what we must do on our break of structure. So once we have a break of structure, number five, we must wait for our pull back. We must wait for our pull back to our 15M or block, right? That is the things that we must do first. So if you guys have this on the screen right now, just pause the video and just write this down, right? First, we must always look out for the trend. Is it in a trend or is it in a range? Our daily and for our time frame, that is where we can determine the trend of the market. We must look out for order blocks on our daily and our 4 hour time frame. We must then scale down to 15 minute for look out for break of structure, wait for a pullback on 15 minutes and our 15 minutes order blocks. So I hope you guys understand that. So let's jump right into the strategy. So what you guys could have seen right here is that we didn't create lower lows lower than this low right here, right? So we could just mark this reason right here as uh our daily level. All right, let me just mark that and just hold that. And this is also what I'm looking out for. Let me just see. Yeah, this region right here, also a daily level, right? So now we can see that price is currently just in a range bound. That's the first thing that we have to determine before we start to trade, right? What is price basically starting to do? This is basically just a range, but can we trade in a range? Yeah, we can trade in range. So now that we have already discovered that price is basically in a ranging market, we must scale down to our 4 hour time frame, right? Okay, now we're on a 4 hour time frame. So we must look for 4 hour time frame structures right now, right? So and also our order block. So what we can see right here is that we have a change of character right here, right? We have a change of character just up here, right? Where price basically starting to create lower highs and lower lows, and there we can see we have first breakout of structure. So this reason right here, let me just mark this. This is for our order block right here. For our order block, right? And just mark that. That is our 4 hour order block, as you guys can see right We did broke out of it, and there we can see we come tap into our 4-hour order block, and now we can see price is about to reach the upside. So now we must scale down to our 15-minute time frame. That is basically our step, our number 4 that we must basically implement right now. We must wait for a structure break on our 15-minute time frame. So let's just wait for this thing to load. I don't know what's wrong with the internet today, but it's a bit slow. So, but yeah. So what we can see right now is that, just bring this thing down so you guys can understand what I mean. It's a really simple strategy, guys. If you guys follow the simple rules, as you guys can see up there, right? So now you guys can see we have structure points right here. This is our lower high point, and this is our lower low point right here. As you guys can see on our 15-minute time frame, we didn't break structure yet. We can only see price creating higher highs and higher lows right here. But what we must wait for right now is that for price to break out of this region just up here, right? We must break out of this region for price to create a new high, and then for price to increase. Sorry, guys. Back to this region, and then we must take price all the way to the upside, and we can target areas of interest like this zone, and also areas of interest like this region right here. So so now we are basically on our step 5, right? We must wait for a pullback before we must wait for our structure. We didn't get a structure break yet, right? Because my price is still trading at this high, as you guys can see right here. We're still currently trading at this high. So we must wait for price to break above, right? To do something like this. Price must break above, and then price must come back to our 30-minute block that we have just right here. And then we can take price all the way to the upside, guys. That is basically what I'm saying. And I'm not saying we're gonna wait for this order block for price to come back into this one again. That is basically long term. But for now, it's we're just looking at the short term. We must basically keep this in mind. On 4-hour price did already come into an area of interest that we can take advantage from, right? We did break not break, we did come into this region, as you guys can see in this order block right here, and I our order block, and we also have a change of character right here. If I step into it, and now we can see we had a momentum. So the only thing that we must wait for now is for a 15-minute time frame to break structure for us, right? To break structure for us, to showing us that okay, market structure has shifted now. We have this lower high, we have this lower low, and once we create a new higher high, wait for price to come tap into this zone, and then we can take advantage for this price for continuation to the upside. But for now, guys, price can still easily do this right now. If you're starting to take buys right now, just do this. Price can easily just do that. So, guys, follow these rules on a daily basis. Please write it down, make a small note, and just put it on your desk so you guys can know that once you apply the strategy, it's all about being patient and waiting for the right opportunity to get into the market. I know a lot of you guys just sitting around waiting for patterns and getting impatient and just taking normal or just taking trades because why you want to be in a trade. That is not what we are doing here. We must wait for prices showing us that it wants, and we follow our rules that you can see right here, and then we will execute our trading position, guys. So if you guys got value from this video, please let me know in the comments down below. If you guys want to see more some ICT videos or any some type of strategy videos, or let me know in the comments down below, boys. Let's go.